Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me Aldi. Now I wanna make a video, but it's a different video. Now I wanna make a presentation, but it's different presentation. The last presentation I tell you about the most Muslim population in Asia, but this a different topic. Now I want a presentation. I wanna tell you about the top food in Asia. Okay, and in this presentation I want to tell you about egg top food in Asia. This is my version. Okay, maybe there is egg top food in Asia. It's my version. Okay, let's start the topic. The first, there is a rendang. We know rendang is from Indonesia, and rendang in Indonesia is very famous in Indonesia because the rendang is a traditional food from Indonesia, and the taste is very good, and there is so many people like rendang. And rendang is an Indonesian spicy meat dish originating from the Minangkabau region in West Sumatra, Indonesia. It has spread across Indonesia to the coastlands of neighboring Southeast Asian countries. Rendang is a piece of meat, most commonly beef, that has been slow cooked and based in a coconut milk and spicy mixture. Well, until the liquid evaporates and the meat turns dark brown and tender, becoming caramelized and infused with a rich spice. One of the specific signature dishes of Minangkabau culture, rendang is traditional served at ceremonial occasion. It honor God during festive event such as a wedding feast and Idul Fitri. Rendang is also traditional served among the Malay community in Malaysia and the Marano in the Philippines. Although culinary experts often describe rendang as a curry, and the dish is usually not considered as such in Indonesia since it richer and contains less liquid than is normal from Indonesian curries. In 2011, it's an online poll of 3,500 people by CNN International choose beef rendang as the number one most delicious dish of their world 50 most delicious food. Readers pick list. It was on the original list produced by the staff. In 2018, rendang was officially recognized as being one of the 5 national dishes of Indonesia. The other are soto, sate, nasi goreng, and gado-gado. Okay, this maybe about rendang, and you can buy rendang in Padang Resto in Indonesia. This there is so much Padang Resto in Indonesia. You can buy the Padang Resto is no just there is in Padang, but there is in Bekasi, Jakarta, Bandung, and other city. And okay, we next to the next top food. In the second, I have a ramen. Yes, I think ramen is so familiar. If Indonesian people go to Japan, maybe these people want eat ramen because ramen is so delicious. Ramen is a Japanese noodle soup It consists of Chinese with noodles served in a meat of fish-based broth of the flavored with soy sauce and miso, and uses toppings such as sliced pork, nori, menma, and scallions. Nearly every region in Japan has its own variation of ramen, such as the tonkotsu ramen of Kyushu and the miso ramen of Hokkaido. Mesmen is a ramen dish that not served in a soup, but rather with a sauce, like noodles that are served with a sweet and sour sauce. Maybe the normal ramen in Japan is use a pork, but in Japan there is a ramen this halal use beef, yes, not pork, is use beef. This 100% halal. Okay, I don't know. Maybe in Indonesia there is a ramen resto, but I don't know the name of the resto. Maybe you can search in internet. Okay, maybe this about ramen, the second top food in Asia. Okay, let's continue. The third, I have nasi lemak. We know nasi lemak is in Malaysia, the name is nasi lemak, but I know in Indonesia the name is nasi uduk. This little different, nasi lemak and nasi uduk. Nasi lemak is a Malay cuisine dish consisting of fragrant rice cooked in coconut milk and pandan leaf. Yes, I know. Make a nasi uduk is like nasi lemak is use coconut milk and pandan leaf. It is commonly found in Malaysia, where it considered the national dish. It also the native dish the neighboring areas with a significant Malay population such as Singapore, Brunei, and southern Thailand. In Indonesia, it can be found in several parts of Sumatra, especially Malay realm of Riau Island, and Medan. Nasi lemak can also be found in the Bangsamoro region of Mindanao, prepared by Filipino Moro. It is considered one of the most famous dishes from Malay-style breakfast. It is not to be confused with the nasi dagang. Sold in Malaysia is coast state of Terengganu and Kelantan. And its kindred region in Patani, Yala, and Narathiwat in Thailand, and Natuna in Indonesia. Although both these are often served of breakfast. However, because nasi lemak can be served in a variety of ways, it is often eaten throughout the day. Okay, yes, maybe I know nasi lemak and nasi uduk in Indonesia is a little different, but maybe in Indonesia the nasi uduk is use egg, tofu, and others. But in nasi lemak, I watch in YouTube. Is nasi lemak is use like chicken, and there is a sauce, and there is egg, and others. Okay, maybe this the third top food from Asia. This nasi lemak from Malaysia. The next, the fourth top food in Asia is beef bulgogi. The beef bulgogi from Korean bulgogi, literally fire meat, is a gooey made of thin marinated slice of big pork grilled on barbecue or on a top griddle. It also often served in a pan in home cooking. Sirloin, rib eye, or brisket are frequently used cut of beef for the dish. The dish originated from northern areas of the Korea Peninsula, but is a very popular dish in South Korea, where it can be found anywhere from upscale restaurant to local supermarket as pan-ready kits. Maybe in Korea, this beef bulgogi is from Korea, but in Korea use a pork. In Indonesia there is bulgogi, but because the mayoritas of Indonesia is Muslim, the mas cook the beef bulgogi use a beef cow, no pork. Okay, and for the next there is xiaolong bao. Xiaolong bao is a type of Chinese steamed bone from Jiangsu province, especially associated with Wuxi and Shanghai. In Shanghainese that are known as Xiaolong Maidu or Xiaolong style mantus, as a Wu China speaking people use in traditional definition of mantau, which refers to both fillet and unfillet buns. It is traditionally prepared in xiaolong, which is a kind of small bamboo streaming basket, which give their name xiaolong bao. Is often referred to as kind of dumpling, but should not be confused with a British or American style dumplings, nor which is jiaozi. There are also a soft dumpling in English-speaking countries because they are filled with hot soup. Okay, maybe this about xiaolong bao, the 5 top food from Asia. Okay, for the next food, the 6 top food from Asia, I have a nasi ayam Hainan. Hainan chicken rice is a Chinese dish that is often associated with the Malaysian or Singapore cuisines and is also found in neighboring Thailand as well as the Hainan region of China. Hainan chicken rice so named because it originates from the tradition of Hainanese culinary art and its application by the overseas Chinese population of Hainanese tribe in the Nanyang region. The version of the dish found in the Malaysia and Singapore combines elements of Hainanese and Cantonese cuisine coupled with the flavors of Asian cuisine such as. Okay, for the next food from the 7th food. Okay, for the top food from Asia, there's a chapati. Chapati, also known as roti, sabati, pulka, and roti, an unleavened fresh bread, originated from the India subcontinent and staple in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, East Africa, and the Caribbean. Chapatis are made of whole wheat flour known as atta, mixed into with water, oil, and optimal salt in a missing utensil called a parat, pan, and are cooked into tava or flat skillet. It is a common staple in Indian subcontinent as well as amongst expatriates from the Indian subcontinent throughout the world. Throughout the world, chapatis were also introduced on the earth part of the world by immigrants from the Indian subcontinent, subcontinent, particularly by Indian merchants to Central Asia, Southeast Asia, East Africa, and the Caribbean island. And for the last, the top food from Asia, this my version. The egg is there is a kismis or raisins. Raisins are dried grape and can be eaten straight or used in cooking. In the 11th century AD, Crusaders introduced raisins in Europe after returning from the Mediterranean. Raisins are very sweet because they have a high sugar concentration, and if stored of a long time, they crystallize in them. This progress and cause the raisin to become rock, although it has no effect on their use. Resin can be crystallized by briefly soaking them in liquid, alcohol, juice, or boiling water to dissolve the sugar. Zabib, which comes from Arabic for raisin, is a dried currant fruit. Meanwhile, the name raisin in Indonesia comes from the word kismis in Hindu, Urdu, and Persian. In Indonesia, you can buying kismis or raisin. There is in traditional market and supermarket in Indonesia, and you can buying online in online shop and others. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I'm Ali. This is for my presentation. Egg top food from Asia. If I have a mistake, I'm sorry. I'm Ali. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.